With the release of MODO 14.0 v1, we've introduced two new display settings for the 3D viewport, Ghost Mode and Xray Mode. These modes have been designed to help users understand the topology of their model more easily by letting you set a transparency override, helping you to differentiate between background and foreground wireframe. You can enable either mode from the Active Meshes tab in the 3D Viewport Properties form under the Transparency Overrides subheading. There's also a quick access icon to each mode at the top of the 3D viewport. Ghost Mode will draw items with transparent front-facing polygons and solid back-facing polygons. The level of transparency applied to the front and back-facing polygons can be controlled for your preference. Xray Mode will draw items with their front-facing polygons as entirely transparent, and the back-facing polygons will be drawn as solid. And in both modes you're able to customize the front and back-facing wireframe color to your liking. Ghost Mode and Xray Mode are also compatible with more than just the default viewport style. The Shaded, Solid, Reflection, and Vertex Map viewport styles all support these new display modes. Feel free to customize these modes to find what suits your modeling workflow best.